Every year, millions of people who make New Year's resolutions with the hope to change themselves. People mostly make their New Year's resolutions in the field in which they want to make a change in themselves or they want to make a kind of betterment in themselves. According to a study which is published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology, only 46% of people who made New Year's resolutions are successful. That's mean over half of the people who set a goal for the new year or fail. What are the reasons behind them is completely a different thing. There's a lot of reasons. Sometimes people might their new resolutions or their new habits are might boring, so that's why sometimes they give up. But today in this video I'm not going to make you able to take some promises with yourself to change yourself. These promises will be completely only for the sake of yourself, for the betterment of you. And if you can change yourself, then you can change this whole world. So let's get started. These promises as New Year's resolution plans. The very first promise that you have to make with yourself is less stressed out. You just have to understand that this year is not to be stressed, to not be depressed. You just have to ignore all those things that maybe directly or indirectly caused stress for yourself. Try to leave those people who make you feel stressed. Just try to relax and calm yourself in any way. The day when you came to know that everything will be okay one day and I was just wasting my energy to be stressed out, the day will be the happiest day of yourself. So this year, just promise yourself I will not stress out about anything. The second promise that you have to make with yourself is spread positivity. We are living in the world in which if you are doing something positive, then nobody will be notice you. But if you are doing something negative, you will be under the headlines just immediately. But you just have to spread positivity by helping people around you. If you see there is something who need your help, just do directly or indirectly. Go for themselves and try to make your positivity a headlines, not the negativity of other people. Just try to think positively. As in my previous video, I've mentioned the power of your positive thoughts. So just think positively and influence the people around you with your positive thoughts as well. The last and third promise that you have to make yourself is try to overcome procrastination. The procrastination is nowadays is getting a habit that we are developing day by day, and this habit is getting stronger day by day. You know yourself better, so try to discourage yourself on the points in which you are delaying your things. Just try to do your tasks on the time. Believe me, the day when you started doing your tasks on the time, you will completely overcome your habit of procrastination. There is another important debate why people leave their New Year's resolutions or promises, why people get bored from their New Year's resolutions. I will talk about them some other day in some other video. Till then, you have to stick yourself with the promises that you have made with yourself. Try to work on them and try to work on yourself. See you in the next video. Till then, be motivated and take care.